Portuguese people.
She Portuguese.
Smiles.
I don't like
Smiles.
Smiles? What?
Smiles. Não está trabalhando hoje.
Oh, day off, no.
Day off.
Day off.
See, this is what we had planned. We said Wednesdays we were going to have off.
To the beach?
Yeah, to the beach. That was our original plan. So we're going
That's
back
impossible.
to our original plan.
No.
Impossible?
It can be. It can really. Can you imagine you're doing like whatever, a bathroom, a kitchen, all of a sudden, okay, I have to take off Wednesday. Oh my God.
I know.
I guess, yeah, if you really think of it.
It doesn't really matter, right?
Yeah, somebody could do it. It's
Somebody
possible.
vem daqui, vem dois.
Watch out with the stingray.
Yes. Vem outro truck. So, a gente vai pra praia a little bit. We're not people to stay at the beach all day long. We like to stay tops 2 hours. That's what we like to stay.
That's why we're para sombra.
Yeah.
You stay there.
Not as long as I used to. When I was younger, I could really stay. The older I'm getting, the less time I can tolerate. Like if it's too hot, I have to be in the water. Like when I was young, oh my God, if ficava lá fora.
You're getting picky as you go along.
Yeah. My body's just telling me, yeah.
Yeah, I spoke to Joe. I haven't spoken to Joe in a while.
Cecilia and Joe.
Joe from
Tottenham.
Tottenham.
Yeah. Too much.
Catch up a little bit with him. He's a character too.
He is. We might see him when we go Pazidas this time.
Mm-hmm.
We might catch him still. A few people are going before us, so we won't catch them. But
João, we miss him on that day.
Yeah.
The muscle guy.
yeah, João and Amanda, we
I guess
miss them.
they fly in, they go in, they get out. But I guess they get out a day or two before us get there.
I forget their daughter's name.
It's
Ashley, I think. Ashley. She's so cute. Really
so,
cute.
But we catch. I mean, usually catch you. We're catching John from Canada. That's
Yes.
right, brother. Thank you so much for booking with us.
And Gilles and oh my God, I'm gonna draw her blank on her
Kenya.
name. From Canada, Gilles and oh my gosh, she's gonna say.
In a second, yeah.
Yeah, you do. I can't believe I'm missing her name. I'm drawing a total blank.
Good, because
But
that's
it's
you know a lot of people.
It's sometimes certain names, just like Joe. Like everybody's Joe.
Joe is the easiest name in the whole world.
Yeah, so we're gonna see Joe and Ilana.
Yeah, rapaz.
Yeah. And we'll see, Marco Pistola, and the whole gang. Yeah. Nos Pedre. João Lerd. So we're gonna get to see all of them soon.
João Lerd estava firmando uma casa no outro dia. Linda casa. Linda casa.
Yeah? Oh, I didn't get to see
your
it.
Jeep for sale, look.
That's not my Jeep.
For sale by owner.
So we're gonna get to see John Joe. John Joe was sick the other day.
Yeah, John Joe was having he had a little funny cough.
Fever. So hopefully he's feeling better. Yeah. And then we'll go to New Bedford.
Hey, that bumpy road. Hey.
So I have to let go because Benjamin has to see this road.
Good excuse.
Sente falta do sabor do autêntico marisco português, fresco? O açoriano serve apenas os mais frescos frutos do mar, preparados nos estilos tradicionais portugueses. Entre e experimente você mesmo. Restaurante e bar açoriano. Pode saborear as ilhas a partir de aqui.
Cute little beach, no?
It is.
Nobody knows about this beach except us.
Do. They call it the old people's beach.
Now coming old people.
Yeah.
We qualify to be here.
But that's what they call it.
The old people's beach. I love it.
I do too.
I like it here.
You know?
Nobody bothers me.
Everybody knows about this.
It's cute. Arguing it's bath water today. A little windy, but it's good. Look at my boy coming in. Hey, come in there. Look at that. That's it, buddy. Enjoy it. Ah, meu bebê. Agora estás molenga, não?
Yes.
Ah, you like the sun,
It was
no?
nice.
On the beach.
We went in the water. The water was chilly at first.
Yeah. No, I think.
But it was nice, yeah.
The water was bath water.
No, it was.
You're getting soft.
You were saying too, darn.
I'm getting soft.
Yeah. It was a little nippy, but once you were in, it was fine. It was just getting in. But, oh my God, it feels so good.
It's good.
It was good. So worth it.
Wednesdays, no.
Yes.
The beach day.
Beach day. For Wednesdays. We'll see how long this lasts.
It's not gonna last. It's not gonna go nowhere. That's it. Done.
That's it. Amanhã a gente já tem que ir trabalhar.
It was just enjoy while you had it.
Exactly. So, hey, I'll take it. It's so good. I'll take it.
Hey, Verizon is #1 in this area, huh?
Oh,
You can't even get service
Yeah.
on the beach areas. If you break down, if you got Verizon,
This area,
You
Verizon is good for Boston area,
got problems.
Massachusetts, but aqui. I guess it's T-Mobile here. No, that's really good.
T-Mobile. I guess, believe it or not, Metro is doing good too over here.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah.
won't change Verizon. I like Verizon.
We've had
been
Verizon.
Verizon for years.
Yeah, it has to be like almost 20 years. It's been a long time. I don't know how long,
We're
but
classics.
it's been a long, it's been a long time.
We're classics with Verizon.
They should give us a discount because we're like vintage.
They do every time I call in Verizon to like update something or to change. They're like, "Whoa, you've been here since old." I didn't even know that Verizon was that old.
But it's good. We have no contracts. It's so that it's
Yeah, anything after the 2 years is no
Yeah.
contract.
Oh, okay.
Anybody. Unless you do some upgrades, I guess, then you're locked in again for 2 years.
yeah, true.
Browns. We give Verizon some advertising.
Oh yeah, like they need
This channel goes to
advertising.
millions of people.
Oh, millions, trillions.
So they just got it free. Steve Vazza, don't give them
Free advertising.
free advertising because they charge me big bucks. Everyone say, I don't have Verizon.
But in Massachusetts, Verizon is really good. Yeah.
Oh my God. Even
Verizon
if when
is-
you go to downtown Tampa,
Yeah.
to the airport area, we don't have no
I don't know
problems.
what it is over here. I don't know if it's
Já viste o que é que ele está fazendo? They're
In the
doing
city.
another pole. Look. Oh no, one is. I don't know
You
what
thought it
that
was a
is.
windmill. No, I
It
don't.
looks like it.
It's something.
It's piece by pieces. Mas trabalho para ti.
Oh, yeah.
Tu ias ali para sempre.
Eu ia.
Sem problema nenhum.
Yes. Eu ficava em espera de mim para ir para ali.
Tu já dizia, oh, you know you forgot. Tu dizias, oh no, you're gonna manage without it. I ain't going down that stairs. No,
Exactly.
I
Take
go.
everything at once because I'm not going back down.
Agora manha-te. Show me that you can do it by yourself.
Exactly.
Aquilo pinto o fence like water, you see? You got dolphins. É preciso passear sobre isto. There it is. Beautiful day. Pronto.
Yes.
Nice and easy.
Very easy. Now we're just gonna make. I made some lunch already in the crock pot. So
O que é que fazer?
the soup, the turkey soup.
Soup cascalou.
Hey, eu não sabia. Era para chover. Eu pensava que ia chover.
Hey.
So we
You're
can.
lucky you got the AC going.
I know. It's all good.
No, I can eat soup in the summertime. It doesn't bother me. I'm
Yeah.
just teasing you. I like soup all year round.
In the crock pot, it's
No,
like,
there's some people that they only have soup in the wintertime. Capa que se,
yeah, but I did think it was going to rain today. That's what they said. Ia chover, so. But it didn't.
You're alright.
You're easygoing anyway. You eat anything.
I eat your soup.
You eat my soup. There you go. It's okay.
No problem whatsoever.
Hey, people, we'll see you tomorrow, God willing.
O açoriano está pegando seus sabores favoritos do velho mundo e trazendo-os de volta para você e sua família desfrutarem. Venha experimentar qualquer um dos nossos clássicos portugueses ou experimente uma mistura dos dois mundos com sabores clássicos maravilhosos. O restaurante e bar açoriano pode saborear as ilhas a partir daqui.